Hi, my name is Amito Esther and this is PROAV Africa. Today I'm going to be sharing about a smartphone video kit by Boya. This right here is a smartphone video kit and it's basically made up of a stand. It has a rechargeable LED light and a shotgun mic that is mounted on a shock mount. This kit is mainly used by YouTubers, vloggers and TikTokers, but today I want to be showing you another way that it can be used. It can be used for education purposes, that's e-learning, and the nice thing about this is it's handy and you also use your smartphone instead of using a laptop as many people are doing right now. And I can assure you the camera on your smartphone is much better than the camera in your laptop. I'm going to be showing you how to use the smartphone video kit. All right, I already have my rechargeable LED light placed on my phone, and now I'm going to attach it to the rest of the kit, just like that. This is very adjustable. It doesn't matter the size of your phone, and you can choose to either keep it vertical or horizontal. That's on you. And this stand is actually adjustable. You can make the stand taller or shorter. And another thing is there is a cable that connects to your phone, and this is to make sure the sound is going straight from the professional microphone to your phone. And you can use this for streaming live, for conducting your online classes. You can be a bit extra and also use that for Zoom calls and conferencing calls. As we speak right now, I've set up my smartphone video kit, and as you can see, I am looking lit because I have my rechargeable light on, and I'm sure you can hear me really good and clear because I'm using the professional mic. And I think the whole kit altogether is really nice. So YouTubers, teachers out there, TikTokers, this is the kit for you. For more information about this smartphone video kit by Boya, you can contact us on 0757 500 803, or you can actually come to our showroom in Bugolobi, Luthuli Avenue, plot 84B. Thank you.